Hello my dear 5th class children. Today's session also we are going to draw one more diagram, that is distillation. For draw the distillation you have to take pencil, eraser, sharpener and one compass. For draw the circle you have to take compass, or else you have to take one bottle cap, not small bottle cap. Ask to mom to give one cap. Okay children, or else you have to take one compass. It is very important to learn the diagrams children. In this lesson, water lesson, air and water lesson, two diagrams are very important: filtration process and also distillation. These two diagrams are very important. It is must to learn these two diagrams. Okay children, yesterday we drawn filtration, no children. Now we are going to learn how to draw the distillation. Come on, let's start. Okay, draw circle. Draw a circle like this. Okay, draw a circle like that. And we have to take one long scale. Draw two straight lines. Okay, draw two straight lines children. And one more line. Draw two straight lines like that. First draw a circle. Draw two straight lines like this. Arrange this part. Okay. Here we have to draw one rubber cork. Draw one horizontal line like this. Okay. Draw one more line like this. Okay. You have to join these two lines. Draw like this. Okay. Draw like that. And here we have to draw like this. Okay, slanting lines, two slanting lines, two slanting lines like that. Okay, one more line, two slanting lines. Draw very carefully. Okay, keep the scale properly first and draw two slanting lines like that. Okay, it is very easy to draw. Okay, and here again you have to draw two lines for condenser, cool condenser. Okay, here also draw one more straight line. Okay, draw like this. Cool condenser, this is the cool condenser. Okay, water is in and out, that's why you have to arrange this pot lightly and draw two small lines like that. This side also water is in and water is out. This is the cool condenser, and also here you have to draw one more beaker. Okay, for enter the pure water. For enter the pure water, we have to draw one more beaker. Okay, one more beaker. For this you have to draw like this. For beaker you have to draw like this. Okay, it is very easy to draw like this. Okay, draw like that. Here you have to draw little bit down this line. Okay, and here we have to arrange one stand. Okay, draw one stand like this. Okay, here for heat supply we have to draw spirit lamp. Okay, spirit lamp. For heat supply, okay, draw like that. Okay, and here we have to take impure water. No, yes, impure water. Okay, that's why you have to draw sea water. Here we have to take impure water or sea water. Impure water or sea water. Okay, you have to draw like this. This is the impure water. Okay, and when the water is boiling, steam is produced like this. Okay, this steam slowly enters the L-shaped rod. Okay, but no need to draw like this. Okay, and here steam is cooling by cool condenser, and this water is distilled water. Okay, this water is distilled water, purest form of water. We have to keep dots. Okay, here you have to draw one line. Little bit down, children. Draw slanting line. properly. Yes. Okay. Now it is clear. Now it's time to write names. It is easy, no children? Yes. Water out. Okay, water out. This is the cork. This is the rubber cork. Okay, this is the condenser, cool condenser. Okay, water out, water in. Okay, keep the arrow marks like this. Water in. Okay, this is the condenser, cool condenser. Condenser, cool condenser. Cool condenser, right. Yes, this is the stand, this is the spirit lamp. Spirit lamp for supplying heat. This is the round bottomed flask, retort. Right, retort. Okay, retort. Impure water, steam. Yes, this is the purest form of water, distilled water. This is the distilled water. Distilled water or purest form of water. Or pure water. Okay children, it is very easy to draw. First you have to observe how to draw the diagram. After watch it. Okay, you have to draw 2 more times. Okay, it is very easy I think. Okay children, will you practice one more time? Yes. You have to practice one more time. First you have to observe how to draw the diagram. Okay children, have a good day.